Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I've got the Sparkle Supplies UK VIP box to show you for June. I can't believe I'm saying that, it seems so surreal that it's already June. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what's in here. Let's just cut it open. Do a better job than I did the first time round because that was a fail. There we go. Let's see what's inside. So first things first, you've obviously got the piece of paper that tells you everything that's in here, everything, how much it will be, what is included, and how much it would come to if you bought it all individually. These boxes are £12.99. You can get 15% off with my discount code that will be on the screen if I remember to put it there. If I don't, which is likely, it'll be in the description box as always. It's in every video that I have as well. So the products in this box won't go on sale until the 7th of August. So everything you get in these boxes, you get a couple of months before anyone else is able to, which in itself is really exciting to have new things that can't be bought by everybody. And then this is everything that is included, and this is how much it will be when it does eventually go on sale. As you can see, everything is £13.25. But like I said, the boxes are £12.99 and you can get 15% off that as well. So you're getting even more for your money. So let's go through it and see what we've got in here. It's very exciting, so much cool stuff. So we've got these stickers. I'll keep the piece of paper next to me actually so I can tell you how much everything is as we go along, so you don't have to refer back to the start if you want to know about anything. So these stickers will be £1.99, and as you can see they are gold. How absolutely stunning are they? It's upside down. I was wondering, I was looking at these like, I actually have no idea what they are. I can't even tell you. Makes sense. When they're the right way up, they look like what they're supposed to be. Brilliant. Anyway, so we've got stars, moons, and obviously the unicorns. Different types of stars as well, which is good. So you've got the 5-point stars, the 4-point stars, and then these ones as well, which is really good because I don't know about you. Oh, we've also got these type ones as well, but I go through a lot of these, like a lot of my clients like these, and don't get me wrong, like it's pretty easy to paint one of these types of stars, but if your client is wanting like a gold chrome or silver chrome or something like that, it is so much easier to just peel off and stick on a sticker than it is to do the isolated chrome method. So this is much quicker and easier. Definitely worth having a bunch of those in your collection. Next up we've got, so they would be £1.99. These bows would be £2.99, these little 3D bows. So you get loads of different colours in there. We've got black, like a lemon colour, a pale pink, and then we've also got like see-through ones as well, which are really cute. There's also clear ones, they're cool. I suppose those clear ones like this one would look like you've done that with that, like the 3D gel and stuff. I don't do things like that. Which is even more of a reason to have this sort of stuff in your kit, because if your client does want stuff like this, then you don't have to do that. You've got these, but yeah, these are very pretty. I love that blue colour, like the jelly sort of blue. Very nice. Next up, we've got a foil. We all know how I love foils, and this is Radiclaw, and this would be 80p, and it is a metre. I think all the transfer foils on the Sparkle Supplies UK's website are a metre long, so it's such good value for 80p. Like, you will not, I mean, I can't actually say that for sure because I don't know, but I think it's rare that you find foil for that cheap. But yeah, very good value. Obviously with my 15% discount code as well, I get it even less. I can't do the maths for that in my head because I am useless at maths, so you just have to work that out for yourself. This glitter is called Make a Wish, and it would be £1.99 if you were to buy it individually. It's absolutely stunning. It's got stars in it as well. I'm not sure if you can see, there's one there. Some small hexes, some larger hexes. We've got purple, blue and silver in there, and also the tinsel type stuff that is also silver, all metallic shades. Very, very pretty. And then the last two things we've got are in little pots, and one is a pigment, another one is another glitter, and this glitter would be £2.49. It is called Sweetie Darling, and it is an SSUK unique mix, the same as the Make-A-Wish, which means that you can only get it from Sparkle Supplies UK. But that is it. Look how pretty that is. Get it closer to you so you can see it. Absolutely beautiful. So sparkly. So like I said, that would be £2.49 if you were to buy that individually. And then we've also got a pigment, which is £2.99. And it's called Kermit, and it's clear white. It's obviously green, very on brand for Kermit. And it's got a shimmer in it as well, which looks beautiful. So I imagine that is absolutely stunning on the nail. So yeah, that is Kermit pigment. So that is everything you get in this box. These boxes are so cute. They're just little letterbox ones as well, so you don't even have to be in when they're delivered and stuff. Super nice to just have them appear in your letterbox every month for such little money as well. Like, they're so cheap. Well worth the money. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!